wool shirt over there. Him.
Wool shirt. Who's wearing a wool shirt?
Oh, is that wool?
Hold on. I'll be right back.
Really tight.
Oh no, that's
Wool,
cotton.
what the hell?
That's cotton.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's
tripping.
cotton. That's cotton.
Yeah.
You know.
Them pants look wool. Or them
Nah, this cotton and polyester.
polyester.
Mm-hmm.
80% polyester, huh?
Hey, nah, like 60-40. Hey, you can't say it ain't better than that rayon though.
I'll give you that.
That rayon make it hot. That should make it hot.
It's when you on a budget, you get the rayon. That's all it is.
Hell yeah, ain't nothing wrong with going to the orange bag store. I'm in that thing all day.
Nah.
Hey, sometimes you got to put your money in different places. You know what I mean? It's how you feel, not what it.
Yes,
You know
sir.
what I mean?
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
People be out here bragging about. You know what's funny? People be bragging about how much money they spend. That shit is crazy. Like
Look,
you
T,
doing
you
it?
want a car?
You doing it for what? A car?
You got a car.
You do? Oh, snap.
I see you put your business best on.
Oh, me and Dad.
Trust me, I know. Trust me, I would know. Oh, well, okay.
Bill collector folks.
Who we collecting money from?
What'd you say?
Who are we collecting money from?
People that need to pay.
Okay.
Oh, snap.
I need a super soaker.
You did it.
A super soaker.
Yeah, he wants the Super Soaker 5000.
We'll see about getting you a super soaker. You want your car?
Yeah.
You lucky I ain't got my paintball gun.
Said you do want a car?
Yeah. Is it in the house?
It's over here.
Let's see, you want some more ice cream?
Yeah. I'll be right back.
What up, money? What's good with you? Good morning. Canadian in the building. Look, that's 5 in a row.
I go to the red thing.
20 bomb,
Huh?
one heli, one.
I go to the red thing.
I can do this in the execution.
Yeah, but
It's the thing above my head.
I have to get it for you.
Achieve this mission. Thank you, baby. I accept this challenge.
It's my car. It's ain't bigger than me.
Yeah.
Oh, stop. Oh, I'm invisible.
I see your head.
I'm invisible.
You see his head in the middle? That's about it.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Oh, damn.
Oh.
I wonder if you could tune her too.
Maybe I should give it to you when you're a little bit bigger.
No, I'm trying to say go. You got a horn.
Got a horn.
Kind of gave up on Warzone. I like Apex.
I gotta actually give it to
I
you
want to
so
give
you
up on
can
Warzone.
pick it out when you want to, okay?
Being honest. It's addictive, though.
Come here.
I'm addicted to you.
I like Apex with the executions, too, though.
I mean, I need to go snapshots off the rip, dude.
Yeah. You just sterilize snapshots. I might. Now I'm gonna run. Should I run stuns?
Where are we going?
I know they were sick of us, but we had restock and both of them store snapshot after snapshot. Snapshot. They were not moving.
Oh. It's the
Because we all, yeah, I got, you guys
for $400.
shots on that one class.
Huh?
I was gonna snap the restock that I was just tossing.
Oh yeah, we all have restock. All right, let's get this.
It's mine?
Since you got the snapshot, I'm gonna stun him and I'm gonna put it
Ooh.
Yeah, I got my restock. It's snap.
Yeah, huh?
Alright. Look.
snapshot too, but
Hey, that's clean as fuck. That shit is clean. Ooh, that thing on some 4Gs too. Look at him.
fast as hell.
Ain't nobody messing with me.
drink something. I'm out here thirsty in the mud. Drink this aqua. This ain't no Aquafina. What's this? Okay.
Yes, mommy, I like my car. Hey, Uncle Louis.
Can you don't hit nothing. You know that thing look like it got a
You
little
put my horn in
horsepower.
there. I like it.
You like the horn?
Yeah. What are you drinking, Muscle Man?
I don't know
Hey,
what.
Muscle Man.
What's up?
What you drinking?
Oh, just a little water, man. I was a little thirsty. That's all.
Okay.
You know, water's good for the body. You know.
I understand.
But if it ain't in the bottle, then that's when you want to ask me what I'm drinking. But I can't tell you that because your mama don't want me talking about adult things to you, man. One day when you grow up,
Why even go there? Why even go
I'm
there?
talking about
Why even go there?
what I do. I'm just talking about like Kool-Aid in my cup. That's all. You know, I ain't talking about nothing.
I don't think you want them problems, buddy. Put 'em up.
Oh, you know she got him. You know she got that Layla Ali. Knock your ass on the. Knock your butt out in a heartbeat.
She got that right and left foot.
Right, left, coming around the corner. I'm already knowing.
And then after she beat your butt, she gonna hit that chest on you. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, your mama's the reason why I'm in this city. Show me around, show me the right road. She good people, you know.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
See you around when I come back, alright, buddy?
Alright, I'll see you around.
Yeah, Auntie Nina, I'm leaving.
Alright, bet.
Gotta catch my flight.
Alright, bet. I'll tell her.
Can I park this thing?
Oh shit.
Yeah, but the park.
I'm trying to get this challenge done.
How am I standing up, driving? Wait a minute. Whoa!
Wow. Ain't no way. Wow.
I just dropped my money. I gotta get the execution too.
See you later.
That's all I had. Drop my money.
Uncle Louis,
I got a UAV.
I gotta catch a flight, buddy.
They catch a flight already?
Yeah, man.
Shit, they coming back.
Alright. See you
Thanks for
later.
my word. And lollipops.
Lollipops.
Yeah, lollipops. They look like donuts, though. Don't tell nobody else.
Shit.
Okay, see you later.
Okay, bye. Oh, hold on. I got one more thing. Oh, he's gone.
Damn, I need that. See, I'm still gonna get the execution. I'm good though.
I don't know. I just feel like I need another picture of my car in front of That's Tough. I'm just saying.
Oh my.
Deb, but I want you to take it and post it. You feel me? Let me pull it out.